Today, I am presenting on the research paper Chatbot Helper. This application leverages advanced AI technologies to help students extract insights, understand, and interact with research papers more efficiently. This application is built using Streamlit for the front-end interface, Azure OpenAI for the LLM capabilities, and Azure AI Search for efficient document retrieval. The combination of these technologies create a seamless experience where users can upload their research paper and immediately start interacting with them in meaningful ways. Upon launching the application, users will be greeted with the upload interface. They can easily upload PDF or Word document research papers through a simple drag and drop interface. As an FYP student, before writing a project report, I often spend a significant amount of time reading and researching relevant and useful papers to write in my literature review. There are sites like IEEE Explore that offers research papers for free. However, I have to manually go through these papers to actually extract insights and citations to use in my report. For example, if I come across this research paper titled Novel and Secure Blockchain Framework for Health Applications in IoT, in order to use the application, I will first download this research paper in the PDF format. Coming back to the Streamlit interface, I will click on the Upload File button to upload the research paper PDF that I have just downloaded. Then, clicking on the Process File button, the document is actually processed through a pipeline. So firstly, the paper is divided into manageable chunks. Secondly, each chunk is embedded in using Azure's OpenAI text embedding model, and then these embeddings are stored in the Azure AI Search Index. After the research paper is uploaded onto the Azure AI Search Index, the user is then free to use the other features of the application. Firstly, upon clicking the Chat with AI button, the user can engage with the research paper uploaded through the chatbot interface. The system acts as a specialized research assistant that can, firstly, answer any detailed questions about any section in the paper, explain complex concepts from the paper, and provide clarifications on technical terms that are used in the paper. This is all done using Azure's AI Search Index to reference specific sections of the paper when answering based on the query provided. Let me demonstrate this by asking the chatbot a question about the paper. Upon glancing through the paper manually, I've noticed a foreign term used in the paper called ERTCA, and I'll ask the chatbot the question, what is ERTCA? So the system will actually fetch relevant chunks of context from the search index to generate an appropriate response to the user. Using this chatbot, the user can actually ask the LLM any question that is related to the research paper. One of the most powerful features of this system is the executive summary generator. By clicking on the Get Summary tab, the user can click on the Generate Executive Summary button to generate a comprehensive summary of the paper. With a single click, the system identifies and extracts the abstract, introduction, and conclusion through the use of intricate function chaining using LangChain. The key components of each section is analyzed, and this information is finally synthesized into a comprehensive executive summary. The summary is then structured with clear headings covering the firstly, main research question, key methodologies and approach, significant findings and implications, practical applications, and research limitations. So this will actually save students hours of reading while ensuring that they grasp the core value of the research paper. By clicking on the Extract Key Terms tab, the user can click on the Extract Keywords button to generate a word cloud of the keywords identified in the paper. So the keyword extraction feature works by identifying the most significant terms throughout the paper by going through each of the chunks in the search index and determining the frequency and importance of each keyword appearance. Finally, when this is done, it will present them in an intuitive word cloud visualization, and it will also list the top 10 keywords with their frequency count. After the word cloud is generated, it gives users an immediate sense of the paper's focus and terminology, making it easier to identify whether the research paper is actually relevant to the subject matter that they are researching for in their literature review. Lastly, by clicking on the Related Works tab, the user can click on the Get Related Works button from either ARXIV or Semantic Scholar to find related works to the current paper generated. So, the system intelligently extracts the paper's titles and key concepts from the Azure AI Search Index, searches external academic database including the ARXIV and Semantic Scholar API, returns relevant research papers organized by its relevance, and presents the results with clear headings and bullet points to the user. This feature will allow the user to find similar papers to facilitate further literature reviews if the current research paper uploaded favors the user's requirement. Thank you.